Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the amazing world of kayaking and paddleboarding, exploring exactly what happens to your body when you engage in these fantastic water sports. Let me guide you through the remarkable transformations that occur both physically and mentally. Physical adaptations, muscular development, strengthening your upper body, engaging your core muscles, enhancing your back, improving shoulder stability, and toning your legs are all part of the process. Cardiovascular benefits, optimizing heart rate, improving blood circulation, increasing lung capacity, building endurance, and enhancing oxygen utilization are key advantages. Balance and coordination, developing proprioception, enhancing neural pathways, improving stability, increasing body awareness, and refining reaction time are all interconnected. Low-impact benefits, protecting joints, preserving cartilage, strengthening ligaments, maintaining bone density, and reducing injury risk work in harmony. Caloric expenditure, burning 300 to 600 calories per hour, optimizing fat, boosting metabolism, supporting weight management, and enhancing muscle definition are all linked outcomes. Mental health benefits, stress reduction, decreasing cortisol levels, reducing anxiety, improving mental clarity, enhancing focus, and elevating mood are all intertwined benefits. Nature connection, fostering environmental awareness, developing mindfulness, focusing on the present moment, understanding natural rhythms, and finding stress relief through nature are deeply connected. Sleep quality, improving natural sleep patterns, enhancing recovery, optimizing energy levels, achieving mental freshness, and regulating circadian rhythm are all part of the cycle. Social benefits, community connection, engaging in group activities, forming social bonds, sharing experiences, developing communication, and building a support network are all collaborative efforts. Skill development, technical progress, refining paddling technique, improving balance, developing water reading skills, enhancing navigation abilities, and increasing safety awareness are all progressive steps. Equipment, understanding, gaining gear knowledge, learning maintenance skills, familiarizing yourself with safety equipment, assessing weather and reading water conditions are all essential aspects. Long-term adaptations, physical changes, improved posture, enhanced core strength, better balance, increased flexibility, and overall fitness improvement are all lasting transformations. Mental development, increased confidence, better focus, enhanced decision-making, improved spatial awareness, and greater self-reliance are all evolving traits. Environmental impact, nature awareness, understanding water conservation, gaining environmental protection knowledge, recognizing weather patterns, appreciating ecosystems, and becoming aware of marine life are all interconnected insights. Safety considerations, water safety, being aware of currents, reading weather, knowing emergency responses, developing navigation skills, and assessing risks are all crucial for safety. Equipment care, gear maintenance, understanding equipment, proper storage, regular inspection, cleaning procedures, and safety check routines are all vital for longevity. Thank you for joining me in exploring the transformative effects of kayaking and paddleboarding. Whether you're a beginner or experienced paddler, understanding these processes can help you maximize the benefits of these wonderful water sports. Remember, these activities aren't just about exercise. They're about connecting with nature while improving your physical and mental well-being. Practice regularly, stay safe on the water, and watch as your body and mind transform through these engaging activities. Keep paddling, stay safe, and enjoy the numerous benefits that kayaking and paddleboarding bring to your life. Your dedication will be rewarded with improved fitness, mental clarity, and a deeper connection to nature.